Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to download Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Well, for the Android phone, all you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Google Photos, then download it. Usually Google Photos is built in on Android phones, so you might not have to download it, you just have to search for it on your phone. Now for iPhone, you have to go to App Store. There you're gonna find search option at the top of your screen by tapping on the search option at the bottom right corner. Now tap on that search bar and type in Google Photos. Once you type in Google Photos, App Store is going to suggest you few options. You have to tap on Google Photos that's on the top of your screen. Now right beside the logo you're gonna find a Get option. Tap on the Get option, sign in with your iCloud and download the app. Now wait for the app to download, then all you have to do is sign in with your Google account. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Google Photos on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.